mentors, I have Vaibhav Sheth with me. I hope मैंने नाम बराबर से pronounce किया तुम्हारा, right? A very clever, very smart, very hardworking, and a hustler. I can call him. So Vaibhav is currently in Poland. He's based out of Poland. Poland में he's doing MBA. उसका last semester. By the way, Vaibhav is from Swami Vivekananda. He's doing his MBA from Swami Vivekananda. 1.5 साल वहाँ पे करा बॉम्बे में, and अभी round about 4.5-5 महीना वो पोलैंड में अपना एक जो सेमेस्टर है वो करेगा. मेरे ख्याल से this is called as a immersion program. तो उसके बारे में वैभव हमें डिटेल्ड मैनर में बताएगा. वैभव, most welcome to the session. I'm glad इसके साथ में पहले बात कर रहा था before I started recording the session, and there is a lot that I can learn from him. Very down to earth, and this is real hustler. Vaibhav, welcome to the session. I would love to know.
Thanks.
I would love to know. You told me that in CAT examination you had 83 percentile. In CMAT you got round about 93 percentile. In CET you got round about 97 percentile. Okay.
Yeah.
You did a good job as far as the entrance exam percentile is concerned. Okay. Number one question. What made you select Swami Vivekananda V School?
Sure. So I'll go from the first things first. I had no idea about how to be present at an MBA college if you get selected for at least interview. Right? And ऐसा नहीं है कि this is the only college like MBA aspirants. So there are so many aspirants who are preparing for MBA. और जब भी MBA का preparation करते सारी colleges उसके ध्यान में ही रहती. So was I. I have had and applied in like 4 to 5 colleges. उससे ज़्यादा मैंने apply नहीं किया था. Scope ही नहीं मैंने छुआ कि इसके आगे जाना ही नहीं. The Vivekanand. And now you will say that there were colleges कि इतने परसेंटाइज पे चेतना मिल सकता था, ये मिल सकता था, वो मिल सकता था. ठीक है. And that's fair enough to say that, but when you talk about ROI, those colleges provide the same kind of packages, same kind of opportunities as these colleges provide. But now I came to my analysis that I want to do marketing management, और ये सारी colleges में से marketing management वैसिम का पिछले 3 साल से एकदम high pace पे था. Like they were providing really good opportunities to the students. सारी companies visit कर रही थी. And not even that, मेरा research उधर तक सीमित नहीं था. I really talk with like so many guys who are studying in these colleges. And when I talk with the students of Vivekananda, even in their final year, even few students with जिसको placement अभी मिला भी नहीं था, still they were talking good things about Vasim.
Wow.
So that's nice. कि उनको लगता है कि ये लोग मेरे को प्रोवाइड करेंगे. Now when I am there in this college, I have seen that those seniors were not wrong. One senior जिसका MBA खत्म हो गया 1 साल बाद वो नीलसन में लगा at a senior position, right? So that's why the faith and the efforts this college puts in you is something different, and I just choose this college no matter how the merit goes and कौन क्या बोलता है. But ये मेरा analysis था और मैंने ये ले लिया, and now I am here. ये सारी opportunities जो भी मिली है, it is because of the hard work done by international cell team, especially the Shalini ma'am जिसने ये सब किया था. And apart from my mentors are there, faculty mentors from the same college who helped me in like all the semesters. सारे professors probably मेरे को जानते ही हैं, and उनके पास से मैंने बहुत बातें की है apart from class. So that's why I feel that कि ये investment काफी सही था और काफी बढ़िया अभी तक तो ROI मिल रहा है मुझे.
क्या फीस है आपका विवेकानंद में?
विवेकानंद में it was 7 lakh. It's less than 7 lakh.
2 साल के लिए ना?
Yeah, for 2 years.
Right. I also spoke to your batchmate. I told you now. He's got 19.5 lakh final placement, international placement. So ROI तो उसका 300% हो गया, like 3x. वैसे देखा जाए तो. Yeah, that's an amazing.
Yeah, of course.
One thing I really loved about you is that you live your college basically. I mean, like you are actually living it. You know, मतलब इतने सारे बच्चों का हम इंटरव्यू करते हैं और जब तेरे से जब आज मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, you have a strong belief and faith in Vivekananda as a brand, and you are very well resourced. कि तूने देखा ये कॉलेज मुझे क्या प्रोवाइड करेगा, ये कॉलेज मुझे क्या प्रोवाइड करेगा, and what Vivekananda is going to give me सो गाइस ये एक छोटी सी चीज है जो भी बच्चे देख रहे हैं, जो भी फ्यूचर एस्पायरेंट है। विवेकानंद के बारे में तो वैभव ने तो बता ही दिया, नो डाउट अबाउट दैट। बट अगेन हाँ, एक अच्छा रिसर्च करना एंड खुद को कन्विंस करके वो कॉलेज चूज करना इज रियली रियली इंपॉर्टेंट।